Hey guys, Josh here with TrailBuilt and TrailBuilt Off-Road on the YouTube. Here again with Brent. Today we are going to be going over how to build your off-road rig on a budget. The whole goal is we get $5,000. We have to keep that under $5,000 to build a virtual vehicle using the suspension and wheel and tire combination that's on our website. So it's trailbuiltoffroad.com. So we're going to be building a 96 Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive, which of course it better be because we are trail built. So I don't think a two-wheel drive would do us much good out on the trails. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started here, and I get $5,000 in 5 minutes. And are you timing this? Are you ready to go? Okay, go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the suspension, because once I pick out what size suspension I'm gonna go with, then I can pick out my tire and wheel package. Sorting by popular. I think I want at least a 6-inch lift. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over here. I'm gonna pick a 6-inch lift. Look at that, 6-inch, 2.5 inch, and 4. So 6-inch lift, and then the next thing I'm gonna look for is coilovers. And all right,
you're halfway done.
This one right here will tell me that I can use 35-inch, 12.5-inch wide, 15-inch tires, 3.25 inch back spacing with minor trimming. Where's the one that uses major trimming? That's the one I want.
You have 30 seconds.
Okay, 4138. That's what I got. That's my total. So we're gonna go ahead and bring Brent in, and Brent's gonna go through and do the same thing.
I'm gonna step in, and I have no clue what I'm doing. Let me know when.
Timer's running now.
Now? 96 you said, huh? How do I even use this? Shop wheels, some ProComp Series 32s, add some tires, Cooper Discover STTs,
Halfway.
oh my gosh, really? Do the suspension, there we go. Sweet, I'm done.
Well, okay, so what did you end up with?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I ended up with some ProComp Series wheels, some Cooper 34.7 tires, and a Rough Country lift kit for a total of $2,874.17.
Holy smokes. Wow, so 28 cents, so 2,900 bucks. Mine was 40, just shy of 4,200 bucks. Cool, I went with the 6-inch FabTech
Fancy boy.
lift. Well, the tires I went a little bit less expensive with. I went with the Federal, the Corasias.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, 35-inch tire still.
Gotcha.
And then I went with the ProComp steel wheels, the ones that look like simulated beadlocks that have the bolts around the outer rim on there.
Yeah, so, I was kind of thinking I have enough money left over for the beer.
A couple of half barrels. Well, all right. Well, that's it. We're gonna go buy some beer since we have so much money left over. So as you guys can see, you don't have to be rich to go off-roading. You don't have to have all these high-dollar parts to get out there and get off the beaten path to get on the trail. So that's why we wanted to do this video for you guys, just to show you that you can have some pretty good suspension, and whether it's a Toyota, a Jeep, or Chevy, GMC, whatever you guys are running, you can see that you can head to our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com, and pick out some pretty decent lift kits, pretty decent tires and wheels, and still keep that price to a minimum. So if you guys have any more questions or anything like that, go ahead, drop them in the comments below. Other than that, I think that's all we got. So we're gonna go get the heck out of here and spend that extra money on something else. All right, guys, well, as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh, this is Brent, TrailBuilt Off-Road, and we'll see you guys next time.